All right, I'm about to surprise my brothers who have no idea I'm in Kentucky with them for a camping trip, fishing trip. And they're pulling up right now. And we'll make this fun and interesting. They're about to park and I'm about to announce my presence here. My buddy's gonna text me as soon as he is recording on his side too. All right, they just pulled up, getting out of the truck. Now I'm just waiting on the text from Nathan. All right, he's about to text me. I can see him. All right. Here we go. Hey guys! Have y'all seen any elk out here?
We saw a couple of females.
Yeah? Any bulls?
I didn't see any.
I'm from Idaho and I'm looking to hunt some.
Cool. So my brother.
Do you think I can hunt these?
No.
Oh.
Bro, this is like a protected place.
Did you see any like signs or anything?
This is like a reservation.
Oh. Wait, this is in Idaho?
Is that Luke?
Wait, where am I?
Kentucky!
Wait, what?
Is that Luke? No. Your voice is different. Is that Luke? Take your glasses off.
What are you guys doing here?
I literally didn't recognize you. Your son gave you away, you know?
I know.
I thought you were coming like a month though.
No.
I was like, I'm not going to see you again.
Oh, so great. Sam's like, that guy sounds like my brother.
Sam's like, what is this guy talking about?
No, I literally said, you sound like my brother.
Really?
Because you were like, I'm from Idaho, can I hunt these?
I was like, who's this guy? Where does he think he is?
Yeah.
No? Hold on. Let me call her. What is this? Did you guys see?
Happy early birthday. Pull up.
Check this out. They're doing controlled burns, and it looks like the apocalypse is happening. All right. Come, go for it.